Okay, you know your opponents already. O, sa labas ang loose. Yan. Loose sa labas. Depensa yung winner. Tama ba? Oh, winner depensa. Winner. Winner depensa. Loose sa labas. Oh, sa loose ang bola. Yan. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's get it on. ISO for pull-up J to start the game. Kanya pa rin. Inside, going strong. No good by ISO. Takahashi controls the ball. Binomba. Shot block ni Flores. Flores kararating lang. Saan ka galing Flores? Pau-Pau! 4-3! Yes sir, by Pau-Pau to start the game. 3-0. Akin na ka, para hindi ka mahirapan.
Baliktad yung score ko.
Zaragoza. Sammy Boy, tirang guwapo. Wala. Paulo. Uy, what a slippery player. Pasok ISO, same spot. No good. Battle inside. Score natin. 3-0. The shot clock will be start. Remaining 2 minutes, guys. This will be running game. There is a foul call. Zaragoza takes territory. Bounce pass to Takahashi. To Buladas. To Serfroy. No good. Gerald ISO. ISO. Inside. What a play coming from Gerald ISO. I love his shoes. Kulay pink. Yan. 5-0, Sammy Boy. Inside pass. Rejected pala, Flores. Flores tries to control the ball, pero nandun si Nobu. Oh, good. Walang tawad. ISO inside, using his body to support the ball. Sayang. To Sammy Boy, to Zaragoza. What a footwork. No good. Flores controls the day. Inside pass of Pau. Fake shot. Setting the play. Crosses over. Oh. There's a foul. 5-0. Paulo. Paulo to Flores. Flores, where's your shot? Sabi niya, mamaya siya days. Patrick Zaragoza. Starter step. Crosses over. Starter step again. Using his teardrop mastery. He muscle up inside. What a play coming from Zaragoza. Pangilinan to ISO. Off the glass. Roy, using his quickness, grabs to Takahashi. Nobu to Zaragoza. Zaragoza, pull-up J. Yes, sir, by Zaragoza. 5-4. Pau-Pau. Inside. There's a foul. Sabi ni Sammy Boy, hindi pwede sa akin yan. Pau-Pau. Yan. 5-4. Alright, number 18, Paulo, to number 23, pointed inside, no good, recovers the ball for another one, but there's a foul, there's a foul. Okay, there's a foul. Score natin, 5-4. Time remaining. Last 14 minutes. Next game natin dyan, guys, ay, wait lang. Saan na to? Team 1 versus Team 3. Okay.
Yes, 3 points.
Sorry, 3 points. 7-5. Paulo. Pull up game. Yes, sir. Sure ball yun. All 7. Nice gameplay coming from these both teams. Zaragoza, pump fake. Uy, Pinoy step. Wow, what a play coming from Zaragoza. Anders Iso trying to answer back, no good. To Fry. Uy, crosses over. Slow-mo. Slow-mo went quick. Some boy to Takehashi. Kanya pa rin. Wala. Recover ni Iso. To Pau Pau. Yes, sir. By Pau Pau. Anong tawag? Tawag? Oh, miss. Hindi ko nakita eh. Miss. Oh, kanila bola. Oh. All nine. Pangilinan for 3. Yes, sir. Back-to-back 3-point. Zaragoza answers back. Woo! Sabi ni Zaragoza, hindi ka pwede sa akin, boy. Iso inside. No good. Nobu, nice cut. Block behind. Good. There's a foul. Foul. There's a foul behind. May body contact. Takehashi controlling the ball, creating a space, pump fake, swipes to Gerald Iso. Gerald, pull up, no good pare. Fry, sayang, nawala yung bola. Paulo, using the glass, no good. All 12 ang score natin, ha? Sammy Boy, no good. Back to Zaragoza. Yes, sir. Back-to-back 3 coming from Zaragoza. Score natin, 15-12. Time remaining, last 10 minutes. Flores answers back. 15-14. You have to respect the game by Flores. What a pass coming from Troy. What a court vision. My goodness. Ang ganda ng pasa. Whoop!
Uy.
Time out. Nag-twist. Teka lang. Damahin mo muna. Damahin mo. Nag-twist.